Hi, good day. My name is Gabriel Grant, and I'm currently enrolled in Financial Accounting 2022. I am just going to show you all and give you all a detailed explanation of the project that we were asked to do by a professor. So basically, I'll explain the graph. So basically, this graph is showing the revenues by the year. If we highlight it, we'll see the changes in revenue each year. Next graph was total sales by quarter and year. We can see the different sales we had in each quarter for the year, and we can see that the higher the sale, the more money, the darker it is. This graph here will show the revenue that we made by each category. There's revenue that was made by the company. Medical made 6 mil, telecom 23 mil, stuff like that. Now this graph here is showing the sales by the product line. So this is different products we had and the sales. This graph is showing top sales and the top sales in customers, and we can see here, the higher the customer, the darker the line. This is top 10 sales here. This here will show the sale of each division in the different countries that we are currently operating. This is just a visual representation of this data here. Right. So lastly, I'd like to just answer a few questions based on this graph. So the first question is, what was total sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020? So 2020, this is the sales, total sales and quarter of the year. This is this graph. So we go to 2020 and we look at the sales for the third, that's a moment, right, for the third quarter. That will be 4 million. That will be 4,070,374. That is how much revenue, how much sales were at the end of 2020. The second question will be, what were the total sales revenue for the medical category in the second quarter of 2021? So we go to 2021 and we go to medical sales. And for the second quarter, just this, you can see it was $457,117. That was the amount of revenue they made in the medical field category. Which product line had the highest sales in 2019 under the materials processing? So 2019, we go to 2019, question says, which product line had the highest sales? 2019 on the material, so we go on the material, right? And the product line that we can see here is pulsed YT. They had the highest in 2019. Nice. Moving on, what is the top product line for Germany division in 2019? So 2019 again. 2019, nice. Now we look for Germany, and we can see the top product line was also pulsed YT in Germany. See, yes, right. Number 5. In 2020, which quarter had the highest sales in telecom category under the UK division? And what was the amount in dollars? So in 2020, which quarter had the highest sales in the telecom category under the UK division? So here we're going to search for the UK division, which would be, just let me click outside of this. I think this is UK. Nice. Nice. And we're looking for which quarter had the highest sales. So you give the highest sales. See that here. And we see the Railroad Topeka Company. They had the highest sales in that category, 2020. Moving on. Who is cat manufacturing top customer in the fourth quarter of 2020? So let's see. 2020. We just have to DC like everything. Just now. One moment. Nice. So 2020, fourth quarter. Top customer was Scorpion Shop in 2020 for the fourth quarter. Who is the top customer for Russia in 2021? So 2021, and we go to Russia, which is here. And the top customer is Church Seal Company. So Church Seal Company is top customer for in 2021 for the Russian division. If you are top management team of kite manufacturing, what overall strategy questions could this dashboard help you address? Now, this dashboard was very helpful in looking at sales in different divisions in which we are manufacturing our products. And I think this will be a great tool, a fast tool to help us analyze where we are losing sales, where we are making sales, where we are making a lot of money, where people are buying our products. This is a very quick and effective way to see this information. Thank you.